It's not easy and it's unpleasant to clean and wash hard floors. So we wanted to create a wet and dry robot that cleaned better than a human and taking away a very unpleasant chore in your daily lives. Our new robot detects and eliminates spills and stains properly. Over the years, we've been developing vision systems and sensor technology to enable a robot to autonomously navigate around rooms and floor spaces. We've combined all of this research with our vacuum cleaning technologies and also our latest wet washing technologies to create a machine that can perform not only dry cleaning but wet cleaning autonomously. Spot+Scrub Ai has LiDAR scanning technology that scans the whole perimeter and every object of your room. The illuminated vision system allows the robot to see everything from fine dust to debris and stains. When it sees a stain, it calculates how many times it needs to pass over that stain to clean it. But it doesn't just do that, it actually stops and checks to see if the stain is gone. And if it hasn't, it will continue to scrub it until it's completely clean. This is a unique, patented technology for Dyson. It's a new self-cleaning microfiber wet roller. It works in 3 stages on every rotation. First, it cleans the floor, then it cleans itself. The mangle scrapes the dirt off the roller on every single rotation, and then it evenly hydrates the roller with fresh heated water. So this allows the roller to be completely clean when it moves around the floor, so it doesn't actually spread the dirt around the room. And when it detects an edge, it automatically extends the roller to wash right up to the edge, so nothing is missed. Well, the robot docks on the base station dock here. It recharges itself, but it also empties the dry debris, which has gone through 134,000 Gs of separation through our Root Cyclone technology. This enables the even loading of the bin for up to 100 days of storage. In addition to that, it also extracts the dirty water whilst refilling it from a clean tank. Then the rollers will be washed and dried. So it's completely clean every time it goes off to clean your floors again. The entire cycle of repetitive cleaning and maintenance of the robot is autonomous from start to finish.